Good afternoon, my name is Jeremiah with Affordable Mobility Solutions. Today I'm shooting a video of our 2015 Toyota Sienna. This is a rear entry manual ramp and door with a brand new conversion, very easy to operate, very low cost to maintain. You can see I can operate this entire conversion using only 2 fingers. These clamps keep these ramps from rattling. It's a great design. Has a handle on either side. Undo both these clamps. Take it down with 1 finger, look, index finger, all it takes. I tell our customers if you can lift half a gallon of milk up off the ground, you can operate one of these ramps with ease. 36-inch wide ramp, which is 6 inches wider than the rear entry, or than the side entry. It does taper down to 34 inches there at the base. Has 8 tie-down points, so you can hold up to 2 wheelchairs at a time in here, or a gurney or a stretcher. Pretty clean van, shows a few signs of wear. A little scrape there in the headliner, a little one over there, maybe, I don't know, eyeliner or what. I'll have my detail hit that again, see if we can lighten those up a little bit. Between the second row of seats is about 25.5 inches of room. Most chairs can slide right up in between there. If they can't, the legs can sit in between it, the chair can sit just behind it. We do give a free set of pull tight, 2 straight tie downs away with each van. It's got your rear air controls right there. The dash is in great condition. I don't see any holes or cracks in the dash. Steering wheel control so you can keep your eyes on the road, backup camera, dual climate control, rear air, got your cup holders there, plug-ins for your electronics. And when you get everybody secure, come back out. Once again, 1 finger, hold it on up, reverse the process, and you are ready to roll. Quick walk around to the van, very clean exterior, got the alloy wheels, matching Firestone tires on it. All the tires are about 5/32, so they're nearing the end of their life. They're not bald. Got a little bit of tread left on them, but they're a good name brand tire. I did not replace them. The more money we put into these, the more we have to get out of them. If you do want new tires at your cost, let me know. I can slap some on here, get you some prices, put some on here before you take possession of this van. But overall, very clean. This body's in excellent condition. Whoever had this van took wonderful care of it. Just a real, and I love this light blue color. Very, very rare color with Toyota, or really any vehicle for that matter. We always show you the VIN number as well. Show you we've got this vehicle in our possession. We're not pulling some internet scam. Speaking of that VIN number, we show a Carfax report with every one of our vehicles. It does show 1 owner. Accident reported. I'll show that to you. You can see these are $39.99. I'm spending the extra money so you know exactly what you're getting. Shows Carfax guarantees no salvage, junk, rebuilt, fire, flood, hail, or lemon brands on the title. Carfax guarantees no total loss, no structural damage. So there was not a bent frame. Airbags never went off. That tells me this accident was a fender bender, which is not a big deal. Odometer checks out good. Accident on May 23rd of 2017. No open recalls. So as we scroll down, you can look at this. Vehicle involved in a rear end collision with another motor vehicle. So I'm going to guess just someone rear ended them at a traffic light or something, not too hard. No airbags went off. Not a major issue, especially on a van 6 years old. So no frame damage, no airbags, just probably had a bumper replaced or something like that. Not a big deal. Okay, next portion of the video, I'm going to get the van out on the highway, give it some gas so you can hear the engine run and feel the transmission shift through all the gears. And you know that whether you take advantage of our free shipping in the lower 48 states, or if you come in and drive this van home, we've done our due diligence. We've made sure the van is roadworthy. Steering wheel is nice and straight, no unusual vibration or anything like that. With all this being said, please understand this is a used vehicle. We highly recommend an affordable extended warranty with every used vehicle. They start anywhere from 90 days and they go all the way up to 7, 8 years. So, but protect your investment, folks. These are used vehicles. I cannot promise what they're going to do tomorrow, but I'm making this video to show you what they're doing today. Very nice, very clean vehicle. Also keep in mind, we've got a great reputation with our videos, our Carfax reports, our dozens of pictures. Nobody in the country, and I mean nobody, goes the extra mile like Affordable Mobility Solutions to show you exactly what you're getting. So if you want to take a chance with somebody else over a couple pictures and hope they're being honest with you and hope they're telling you everything, well, good luck with that. Also keep in mind we've got a great reputation on Google reviews. I saw we had a 4.7 out of 5 stars. Go read all the nice things people are saying about us, all the happy customers we've had. Also keep in mind we have over 800 reviews on eBay. We've never had a negative review. That's over 800 people that have done business with us. All of them said we did a good job. All of them said we treated them right. So go check that out as well. And also keep in mind, we don't have any hidden fees. A lot of these dealers have a real nice price online. Then they have a $500 document fee, and then they got a tag fee, then they got a freight and administrative fee. Next thing you know, they got $1,500 in fees they didn't tell you about. And then you factor in shipping, because remember, we do free shipping. Then you got another $1,000 or $1,500 in shipping, and next thing you know, that real nice price online is now about $2,000 or $3,000 more than they said it was going to be. Nice hard brake, by the way. No grinding, no squeaking, no unusual brake noise. I do see a real small chip in the windshield right there, real rock chip. It shouldn't affect the glass at all. It shouldn't affect your vision. But I want you to see I'm being honest in these vehicles. My point is, back to the fees. If someone's not being honest with me, if they tell me the price of the van is $20,000, other than obvious sales tax, the price needs to be $20,000. I don't want to hear about all these fees on the back end that you tacked on, you didn't tell me about. That's being dishonest. That's being deceitful. If you're going to be dishonest right off the bat to try and make your vehicle look better online, to try to get me to call, what else are you hiding? What else are you being deceitful about? Are you not telling me about a mechanical issue or an accident or flood damage? So if you want to do business with people that aren't straight and upfront and honest, especially in the car business, if you want to do business with people like that, it's your money, you do whatever you want. But someone that's been doing this 10 years, I highly discourage it. If you'd like to give us a call, 316-262-VANS. That's 316-262-8267. My name's Jeremiah. If you're more of a text messenger, give me a text, 316-518-4377. You've now got the owner's cell phone number. Hey, I want you to try those big companies like Mobility Works and Freedom Motors, Braun, VMI. I want you to ask them for the owner's cell phone number. Are they committed enough to customer service to give you the owner's cell phone number? Why don't you ask them and find out, see what they have to say about that. And we do have financing available. We can send an application to your phone or your email address. And if you're old school, you're not real good with computers, that is okay. Call us up, we'll take an application over the phone. We'll make sure we get you taken care of. And to see all our inventory with detailed videos, pictures, and Carfax reports, check us out, www.mobility316.com. So let me get pulled over here. I'll show you the rest of the interior and undercarriage of the van. Okay, final portion of the video. Let me show you the interior on this van. Very clean. I'm a non-smoker. I can smell smoke from a mile away. No signs of any smoke or unusual odors. I do notice a couple holes in the dash here. They probably had something pinned in here. I'm not sure what it was, but I just want to show that to you. These back jump seats are brand new. This vinyl, very easy to clean in case they get any wet or spills on them. These sliding doors, by the way, are manual. So there's no power door. This is the L package. Very clean interior though. Been very well kept. Comes with the one key and one fob. If you want additional ones made, talk to us about that. We can get those done on your dime. This van's also got the owner's manual in the glove box, a few of these other manuals that come with it. So good to go there. And I know you've already seen the van on a test drive. Let me fire it up there for you. You can see there's no dummy lights, no check engine lights, no airbag lights. You can hear that radio works. Got a full tank of gas. Current miles read 64,354. They popped the hood here. We've also tested all the power windows, power locks, AC, heat, air, cruise. This is not some van I just throw on the lot. Currently have 3 mechanics working for me. Check everything over, big and small. They let you know what works, what doesn't work. If there's a little nick or scratch here, I try to let you know about it. Underneath the hood is a 3.5 V6 engine, idles smoothly. No signs of any damage, no signs of any leaks. Very clean inside and out. Look all underneath the van, much of the same. You can see very clean. I don't see any signs of any abnormal rust. That's the air conditioner right now. Dripping down. Everything looks good. And maybe a little bit of surface rust, but that's to be expected on any 6-year-old vehicle. And that's the number one mistake people make when buying used vehicles. They assume things. They assume because it looks nice in pictures. They assume because the salesman was nice to them. They assume that, that the salesman's being honest. They assume that the salesman's telling them everything. then nothing could be further from the truth. You'll notice our competition rarely, if ever, shows you the undercarriage of a vehicle, much less takes pictures and videos of it. But go look at their website right now. Go look at my competition. I'm sending you there. Compare us. Excuse me. Do they have detailed pictures and videos of the undercarriage? Do they have a Carfax report? Or are they kind of just halfway throwing it up there, putting up a few pictures, putting up a price that looks good, and hoping you give them a call? If we go the extra mile to show you exactly what you're getting, and the number one mistake you can make, like I said, is assuming things. So if someone's going to ask you for thousands of dollars of your hard-earned money, tell them to get off their behind and make a detailed video like this. And if they won't do that, who you're buying from and what are they trying to sell you? And when the van shows up and it's not what you thought it was going to be, and you didn't demand a detailed video, well, you really only have yourself to blame. So as always, thanks for checking out Affordable Mobility Solutions, where mobility is affordable. Call us today.